Arrive in style with this Jeep 2018 Compass Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.